Alright, what's up guys? We're over here at Eric's. We are gonna throw on the turbo today, hopefully, and maybe start it up. I also got a couple little other things to button up on it. I got a new starter for it because it was acting up last few times it was out. And I smashed a clutch line putting the dog box in. So we got that line replaced, we gotta get it bled out. And yeah, we're gonna throw this turbo on, see how it looks. See you guys in a second. So I have to take the center section out to get to one of the turbine nuts. And some oil's been leaking past the turbo. And it's basically welded itself into the back housing. So I'm trying to, I guess, melt it. Or get it a little more viscous so it'll rotate on me so I can get these last two nuts out. I ain't even gonna lie, this thing looks smaller. Not supposed to be though. I'm excited. Just gotta get it clocked. So my issue was, hold on, I think it was this bolt right here and this bolt right here were getting stuck on this housing and you couldn't back them out, and some of this oil had like welded the turbine in the center section into the exhaust housing, so that stinks. So we got the old one off there. I'm gonna switch over the drain tube and we'll we'll get this thing bolted on. Whoa, hold on. And we'll get this thing bolted on. The new one looks like I might be able to just thread the nut on there without taking it all apart, which would be absolutely fabulous. So we'll see what happens there. Yeah, this is looking like it's gonna go together a lot better. So I'm pretty happy about that. All right, let's get her back on. Alright guys, hopefully the GoPro doesn't die. We just got the turbo thrown on. None of the boost pipes are hooked up, but we're gonna see if she'll fire real quick. This car really hasn't ran since I brought it home from Cleus and Cars and parked it. So we'll see what she wants to do. That don't sound good. Alright guys, the GoPro died, so I'm going to wing it on the phone real quick, see how this looks. We got the car started, transmission sounded good. I'm not sure if it was like a low voltage thing or what, but the starter seemed like it was kicking off the flywheel. we'll get it all charged up when the car's all finished, and we'll address that later, see if that's anything I need to worry about or not. But we got the turbo on here, and she's looking great. You know, honestly, the turbo looks smaller than the old one, realistically, like the housing and everything. But you know, the wheel's way bigger. We're switching from a journal bearing to a ball bearing, so I expect it to work and perform so much better. I'm real excited. It sounds a lot deeper and throatier, probably because of the bigger wheel. It wasn't wanting to run. I'm gonna go ahead and assume that it's because it wasn't getting its own air it's used to getting. So we got new turbo, so it's got to get retuned as soon as it comes out here anyway. So that's it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Give us a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.